now safe to use approved portable electronic devices. The passenger information section of the American Way magazine lists devices that may not be used on board the aircraft at any time. Cellular phones, laptop computers, or PDAs with a built-in wireless connection may only be used if the wireless feature can be disabled. And for your safety, please remain seated until the fasten seatbelt sign has been turned off. We recommend you keep your seatbelt securely fastened at all times. And if you choose to remove anything from the overhead bin, do so with care, as items may have shifted during our takeoff. Once we reach a comfortable cruising altitude, I'll be coming through the cabin to serve you a beverage of your choice. Today we offer a variety of soft drinks to choose from. We have Coke, Diet Coke, Pepsi, Diet Pepsi, Sprite, Dr. Pepper, and root beer. We also have orange juice, cran, apple juice, tomato juice, spicy tomato juice, ginger ale, tonic water, and club soda, as well as bottled water and coffee, and all of those items are complimentary. Mixed cocktails, margaritas, and wine are available at the purchase price of $7 each. Imported beer is Heineken, domestic Miller Lite available at $6 each. And if interested in a snack, we have trail mix, roasted salted almonds, and a cheese and cracker tray. Those items are available at $4 each. American Eagle does not accept credit cards at this time, so it would be a cash-only purchase, and exact change would be greatly appreciated. Let me know of your selection as I make my way through the aisle. But for now, I invite you to sit back and relax and enjoy our short flight to Chicago.